Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to find contacts on the Tinder app. Without any further ado, let's get started. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Tinder account. Once you're in, direct your attention to the bottom of your screen where you'll see several navigation options. Go ahead and tap on Profile. This will take you to your personal profile page where you can manage various aspects of your Tinder account and settings. Now, once you're on your profile page, look towards the upper right corner of your screen. You'll notice a gear icon sitting there, which is your gateway to all the settings and customization options within Tinder. Tap on this gear icon to open up the settings menu. This is where you can control everything from privacy options to notification preferences and much more. After the settings menu opens, you'll need to scroll down through the various options available. Keep scrolling until you find an option labeled Block Contacts. This feature is particularly useful because it allows you to manage which of your phone contacts you want to either hide from or reveal on Tinder. It gives you control over who can potentially find your profile based on your stored contacts. Once you tap on Block Contacts, you'll be taken to a new screen. Here, make sure you're on the Contacts tab at the top. You might see other tabs available, but the Contacts tab is specifically where Tinder displays all the contacts from your phone that have been synced with the app. This tab helps you see exactly which people from your contact list are also using Tinder. And there you have it. You can now see all your contacts who are on Tinder. This feature gives you a quick overview of familiar faces on the platform and helps you decide whether you want to block certain contacts from seeing your profile or keep things as they are. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.